Before we begin, I need to give you a warning. The psychological techniques I am about to teach you are extremely powerful. They tap into the subconscious mind and bypass human logic. If you use them with bad intentions, they can be considered manipulation. So please use this knowledge responsibly. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 dark psychology tricks that can make anyone obsess over you and fall in love with you almost against their will. Trick number 1 is called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Most people think that to get someone to like you, you should do favors for them. Psychology says the exact opposite. If you want someone to like you, ask them to do a small favor for you. Ask her to hold your drink for a second. Ask her to recommend a song. When someone does something for you, their brain has to justify why they did it. Their subconscious thinks, I am helping him, therefore I must like him. It creates an instant bond of investment. Trick number 2 is the Zeigarnik Effect. The human brain hates unfinished stories. It craves closure. You can use this to create obsession. When you are texting or talking, start a story but do not finish it. Say something like, I had the craziest dream about you last night, but I probably shouldn't tell you. And then change the subject, or stop replying for a few hours. Her brain will get stuck in a loop trying to figure out what it was. She will think about you all day long. You are renting space in her mind for free. Trick number 3 is spontaneous trait transference. This is a very subtle hack. Whatever adjectives you use to describe other people are often transferred to you. If you talk about how your friend is lazy and boring, she will subconsciously associate those words with you. But if you describe people as charismatic, intelligent, and successful, she will associate those traits with you. Never gossip or talk bad about others. Speak highly of people, and people will think highly of you. Trick number 4 is the triangle of gaze. This is for when you are face to face. Eye contact is powerful, but this specific pattern is seductive. Look at her left eye for 1 second. Then look down at her lips for 1.5 seconds. Then look at her right eye. This triangular movement simulates the way we look at people we are in love with. It triggers a biological reaction in her brain that releases oxytocin. It signals that you are confident and you desire her, which builds massive sexual tension. Trick number 5 is fear of loss. Humans are more motivated by the fear of losing something than by the joy of gaining something. If you are always available, you have no value. To make someone value you, you must be willing to withdraw your attention. Occasionally be busy. Occasionally take longer to reply. Let her know that your time is precious. When she feels that she has to work to keep your attention, she will value it 10 times more. These tricks are not magic, they are biology. They work because they trigger ancient instincts in the human brain. Master these and you master the game of attraction. If you want to learn more about the dark side of psychology, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.